Bro, it's literally like 4 a.m. right now, bro. And my PC's not turning on, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Like, chat, can y'all niggas help me on how the fuck to turn this? It's not even turning on. Like, it's turning on, but it's not even like turning on my screen, bro. Like, literally, see it turns on. And this shit don't even turn on. It just beeps. And then, like, bro, like, it just has this white light. And I'm trying to, like, see what it is. Bro, I don't even know, bro. So, but if it's, like, my CPU and if it's, like, bent, I'm not gonna lie, there's no streams coming, bro. Sorry, bro. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to post a vid. I don't even know when I'm gonna get the next, like, bread to get a CPU. Not gonna lie, that. It's gonna be, shit, it's so annoying, bro. Same shit every summer, bro. Every fucking summer, it's the same shit that happens, bro. Some bullshit. Last year, surgery. This year, PC not working, crashing, and I get banned on Twitch, bro. It's like fucking 4 things happened this summer. And then last year, like, it was even worse. Like, bro, it's just bullshit summers. And this shitty ass PC, bro. Fuck this PC, bro. I don't even know what to do.